Hey, this is AB9 loading to be shined back with another video. Welcome to our nation, the AB9 Creations. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप सो सब सेफ होंगे और मज़े कर रहे होंगे. सो आ गए हम एक और बाइक के साथ जो एक अपडेट लेके आई है और ये है मेरे ड्रीम का अपडेट, मेरे फर्स्ट ड्रीम बाइक का अपडेट. सो मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड मैं काफ़ी हैप्पी हूँ इस अपडेट के लिए क्योंकि बहुत ही एक अच्छा अपडेट आया है. सो this is none other than the TVS Apache RR 310. यस गाइज, ये मेरी फर्स्ट ड्रीम बाइक है और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके सपोर्ट से ये मेरा ड्रीम पूरा हो सकता है. सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए. वीडियो को जितना हो सके फैला दीजिए. सो ये एक बहुत ही थ्रिलिंग अपडेट के साथ आई है और कस्टमाइजेशन ऑप्शंस के साथ आ गई है. सो चलो इसको एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. सो गोइंग फॉर द इंजन इसका सेम ही है. इंजन में इसमें ज़्यादा अपडेट नहीं लिया है. वही 312.2 सीसी का इंजन है. लिक्विड कूल्ड 4 वाल्व राइड बाय वायर इंजन है जिसका पावर 34 PS एट 9700 RPM पे है. बट यहाँ पे टॉर्क इंक्रीज होके अब 25.8 न्यूटन मीटर का हो चुका है एट 7600 RPM. सो ये एक चेंज आया है बाइक के उसमें इंजन में. स्क्रूइंग इनटू द बॉडी वी गॉट द टू अपडेट्स विच कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ two kits. So two kits are the dynamic kit and the racing kit. Dynamic kit cost you 12,000 and racing kit cost you 5,000 rupees. So apart from that you also get two more updates. One is the racing replica graphics, which are the stickers like the racing MotoGP bikes you can get in now. You can get in your RR. And the another one is red alloy wheels which cost you 1,500 rupees, not more, not much. So I think the price of all the kits and all the updates are reasonable. They are not so expensive. You can go for that. So the thing is that you have to pay extra from the bike's price. Combined kit means race kit, dynamic kit and the graphics and the alloy wheel will cost you around 23,000 sorry. So dynamic kit, what is the dynamic kit? So in dynamic kit you get the fully adjustable KYB front suspension and the rear monoshock absorber. So you can adjust it fully by your manual hands. And the interesting thing is that you got a TVS new key which is you can use as a tool itself. You can set your front suspension from the key only. So that's an interesting part of TVS Apache. So it's a fun fact for me. For the race kit you got the sports ergonomics in which TVS has put the sport handlebar in. That means the handlebar will be angled backward and little bit lower. So it will make you feel like riding a racing bike and you are riding on a track. And the another thing is they narrowed the foot pegs and increased the height of foot pegs from 30 mm, which increased your cornering angle by 4.5 degree. So that's an awesome thing for a track lover, for the racing lovers. So I will advise you if you want to do track thing or if you want to go in high speed and अगर आप मीन्स रोज सिटी ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, आपने ये दोनों किट्स लगवा भी ली. If you had put dynamic and the racing kit, so don't be like a racer in the city, in the streets, in the city, because this is not something made for the streets and the city roads, right? If you are on national highways or something like a track, you have a very fine road and a trustworthy road. Means you have gone through lots of time. You know that there are no potholes, there are no pits in that road, so you can go for that. So don't be like I have fitted racing kit and the dynamic kit, now I will dhoom machale in city and street rides. No, it's not like that. Drive safely and drive with your perfect gears, because the great opportunity comes with great responsibility also. So if you are getting a chance to riding a bike, if or own a bike, so drive safely and securely, right? So another thing that is updated in the instrument cluster is now you can store the documents and the day ride trip. And the another thing is that you got the rev limiter and the overspeed limiter. Got the small round LED at the top of the bike instrument cluster, and you will get a blink when it is rev limiter or overspeed limiter. So our top speed is 160 km per hour. So this was all about the electronic engine and the body. The thing that I mentioned you about the racing kit and the dynamic kit, that is the come in the under the program of the build to order. It is the new platform of our TVS, which TVS is a web configurator and a augmented reality app. So you can go for a website or an app to update your bike, right? So one of more interesting thing is that if you have a model of 2017 of RR 310, you also can get the limited accessories which are available right now. So for that you have to pay more than the regular kit price, because for the new, the company will replace the parts and not give you stock accessories. But for the old model 2017 models and all, you will get your old accessories, and the new one will be fitted on your vehicle, right? So it will cost you more, it's an obvious thing. So if you want an adjustable suspension, racing graphics and sportier ergonomics and red alloy wheel, so you can go for the website, or you can visit your nearest showroom. And the interesting thing is the TVS will be delivered it to your home or the nearest showroom to you in just a 30 to 60 days. Means you have to wait only for the 1 or 2 months, and you will get a thrilling racing bike, right? So isn't it interesting? So this was the whole update. So as I said, this is my dream bike, guys, so please help me out to complete my dream. So do like, comment, share and subscribe, and share as much as you can. So please support us to complete dreams, and I will help you in every manner to complete your dreams, to get information about your dream bikes. This much of today's video. So today's thought is the work hard to live large. So stay tuned till the next video. Thank me later. This is AB9 signing off.